Every morning after 60, your eyes are losing the one molecule responsible for keeping your vision clear. Not gradually, but rapidly. By the time you begin to notice blurriness, nearly 40% of that protective layer is already gone. Most people are never told this. Instead, they are left wondering why their vision keeps declining despite doing everything right. There are, however, 6 common seeds available in everyday grocery stores that contain compounds your eyes are desperately lacking. These compounds help slow the damage and may even support recovery. Some begin working within 24 hours, reducing dryness, softening blur, and improving visual comfort almost immediately. After the age of 60, your eyes begin losing glutathione at a rate of about 8% every year. This molecule is the primary antioxidant, protecting your lens. Without it, proteins in your lens start clumping together, leading to cloudiness and difficulty focusing. This is not just about needing stronger glasses. It is a structural change happening inside your eye. At the same time, a process called lipid peroxidation begins damaging your lens cells at a microscopic level. You cannot feel it, but it is constantly progressing. You are often told to wear sunglasses, eat carrots, or take multivitamins. While these can help slightly, they do not address the root cause. The real issue is your body's declining ability to produce and maintain glutathione. This decline is not inevitable. It is often linked to nutritional deficiencies. Certain foods, particularly specific seeds, contain compounds that support the body's ability to restore this protective system naturally. Sesame seeds contain zinc, copper, and vitamin E, all important for eye health. However, their impact is limited. One major issue is phytic acid, which blocks the absorption of minerals like zinc. Roasting sesame seeds for a few minutes can reduce this problem and improve nutrient availability. While they are a useful addition, they provide only a small benefit and should not be relied on for significant improvement. Pumpkin seeds are rich in lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc, nutrients that support eye health. However, their effectiveness depends heavily on preparation. Soaking them overnight with lemon juice helps break down phytic acid and improves absorption. Even then, they work slowly and are better suited for maintenance rather than noticeable repair. Hemp seeds provide an ideal balance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, which is essential for reducing inflammation in the eyes. Chronic inflammation contributes to many age-related vision issues. Regular consumption may help reduce dryness and improve clarity over time. They are easy to use, require no preparation, and can be added to meals effortlessly. Chia seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, which your body can convert into DHA, a key component of the retina. However, they must be ground before consumption, as whole seeds pass through undigested. Pairing them with a fat source, such as coconut oil, improves absorption significantly. This combination may help support tear production and reduce dryness relatively quickly. Flax seeds are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids. When freshly ground and paired with a healthy fat like avocado, their absorption increases dramatically. Consistent use may help improve tear production, reduce oxidative stress in the lens, and enhance visual clarity over time. The key is freshness and daily consistency. Sunflower seeds are exceptionally high in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the lens from oxidative damage. When combined with avocado and lemon, their effectiveness increases significantly. The fat from avocado improves vitamin E absorption, while vitamin C from lemon helps regenerate and recycle it within the body. This combination creates a more efficient antioxidant system that supports eye health on multiple levels. A simple daily routine can make a meaningful difference. Start your morning with sunflower seeds, avocado, and lemon together. Add either hemp seeds or prepared chia seeds later in the day and include flax seeds several times a week. Consistency is essential. Some improvements, like reduced dryness, may appear quickly, while structural changes take weeks or months. Avoid common mistakes such as improper preparation or inconsistent use. Your eyes are not failing without reason. They are responding to what your body is given. By providing the right nutrients consistently, you support the natural processes that maintain and protect your vision over time.